Hello viewers, and for you today I have another eBay purchase. This is a lot of 18 world coins with ships as the theme and great nautical history. There are 18 coins in total in this lot. I paid $26.67. So let's open it up and see what we've got. It says lot of 18 world coin ships as theme. It looks like 3 packages of 6. Okay, here's all the coins laid out, all 18 of them. And we have the East Caribbean territories, Bahamas, Cayman Islands, Norway, Portugal, Austria, Ukraine, the United Kingdom, South Korea, Kuwait, Lebanon, New Zealand, Fiji, Tokelau, and Samoan coins represented here. Okay, these first 2 coins are East Caribbean States coins. And the coin on the left here is a British Caribbean Territories 10 cent from 1955. And on the reverse, we have the ship the Golden Hind, the ship of Sir Francis Drake, Corsair, an English explorer. And a hind is actually a female red-tailed deer. And the other coin we have there is an East Caribbean States 1987 25 cent piece. And we have the same Golden Hind on the back of this coin, the ship of Sir Francis Drake, an English explorer and privateer. I'll show you the other sides. They just have a picture of Queen Elizabeth on it. Okay, the next coin we have is a Bahamas 25 cent coin from 1969. And on the reverse we have a Bahamian sailboat with the denomination and date around the rim above. I'll show you the other side. It is the standard portrait of Queen Elizabeth again, since this is a Dominion country of the United Kingdom. The next 2 coins I have are 2 Cayman Island 25 cent coins. The one on the left is a 1982 and the one on the right is 1990. And on the reverse they have the schooner Kirk B sailing and the denomination to the right. And I'll show you the obverse, which, it should be no surprise, is again a portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, since the Cayman Islands was a British protectorate. Queen Elizabeth II. Okay, here we have the Norway 5 kroner coin from 1975. This is a commemorative issue coin that celebrates the 150th anniversary immigration to America. This is a sailing ship, the Restaurationen, a restoration sloop. And I'll show you the obverse. And on the obverse there we have the Norwegian lion. And here we have a Portugal 5 escudos coin from 1980. And it has a ship, a boat sailing to the right. And on the reverse here we have the coat of arms of Portugal and 4 stars with the value below of 5 escudos. The next coin I have for you is a 5 euros coin from Austria from 2014. And on the reverse we have polar bears and a scene from the Austro-Hungarian North Pole Expedition of 1872 by Admiral Tegetthoff. And I'll show you the obverse on the other side. Really a very nice looking coin. The next coin for you I have is a Ukraine 5 hryvnia coin from 2013. This is a ship with sails set, and it commemorates the 230th anniversary of Catherine the Great's glory. And on the obverse, above there is a small coat of arms of Ukraine with the semicircular inscription, National Bank of Ukraine. In the center there is depicted a wild rose as a symbol of the sea travels and conventionalized vegetal ornamentation patterns and sailing vessels to the left and right thereof. Between them is the coin issue year, 2013, and to the right there is the mark of the National Bank of Ukraine Mint. Very nice looking coin. The next coin I have for you is a United Kingdom 1939 halfpenny. And again here we have another recurring theme with British coins. We have the Golden Hind again, the ship of Sir Francis Drake, Corsair and English explorer. And I will show you the obverse. And surprise, surprise, since it's a British coin, it's going to be one of the monarchs. This is going to be King George VI. This is going to be a South Korean 50 won coin from 1959 in uncirculated condition. And on the reverse we have the turtle ship known as a Geobukseon. It's a Korean battleship used from the 15th to the 19th century. And the value and the bank title in Hangul script. Now I'll show you the reverse. And it just says Republic of Korea 50 won. The year 4292. Which in Gregorian calendar would be 1959. The next coin is going to be a Kuwait 50 fils coin from 1976. And on the reverse there we have a boom sailing ship, a type of dhow, sailing left with a small flag on the right side. And I'll show you the other side. It just says Kuwait 50 fils. In Arabic script. The next coin is a Lebanon 10 piastres, 1961. And on the face of the coin there we have a sailing boat known as a sandal. The sandal symbolizes Lebanon's connection with trade and fishing, as well as the country's cultural heritage related to the sea. Now I'll show you the other side. And on the obverse we have a 10 in Arabic on this 10 kirsch or piastres coin, and we have the cedar tree, a symbol of Lebanon surrounded by legends in Arabic. The next two coins we have are New Zealand 50-cent pieces. The one on the left is from 1980, the other one is from 1975. And on the reverse of these coins we have the bark, the HMS Endeavour, commanded by Captain James Cook on his first exploration of the Pacific from 1769 to 1771, sailing to the right, passing in front of Mount Taranaki, I guess otherwise known as Mount Egmont. And now I'll turn it over and show you the obverse. And as this should be no big surprise, we have again Queen Elizabeth, a portrait of her on the obverse, as most former British colony countries have on their coins. The next coin we have is a Fiji coin. It is a 1 shilling from 1962, and it has the traditional Fijian sailboat and outrigger. And now I'll show you the obverse. And it should be no surprise that we have a portrait of Queen Elizabeth II again, because Fiji was a former British colony. The next coin I have is from Tokelau, which is a protectorate of New Zealand, but New Zealand does acknowledge it as a nation. And this is a 5 Tala coin from 1991. This is a commemorative coin, and the scene is depicting the attack on Pearl Harbor. And I'll show you the obverse. And it should be no surprise that Tokelau was a former British colony or territory. And so we have a picture of Queen Elizabeth II with Tokelau in 1991 in the front. This is a very nice coin. It's in proof-like condition. And the final coin we have is from Samoa, and this is a 1 Tala coin from 1972. And this is also a proof coin. And this depicts 2 18th century ships sailing to the left of the map, with the 2 biggest islands of Western Samoa in the background. This coin commemorates the 250th anniversary of the discovery of Samoa in June of 1722. And I'll show you the other side, if I don't drop it. Okay, this is the obverse of the coin, and it says Samoa e Sisifo 1972, and this is a 1 Tala coin. This is the obverse of the Samoa 1 Tala coin. It has the national arms divided by the date and the denomination below of 1 Tala, and the motto below the national arms translates to "God be the foundation of Samoa." So overall, a very nice collection. I think I mainly purchased this for the commemorative Pearl Harbor coin that it has right here, and the Western Samoa proof coin, as well as I really like the Ukraine coin and the Austrian 5 euros coin. So I'll do a little bit more research and give you a total on what all the coins are worth and a list of them after this screen. And so, by the magic of video editing, here it is, the value. So as I always say, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. And my apologies if I butchered any pronunciations of foreign words. I am not a professional, I am a hobbyist. And thank you for watching.